What are the best things for mental health? Why is this important? Because when we are curious about the world and are always in learning mode, we adopt a growth mindset. The concept of growth is the key differentiator between two general mindsets. One, a fixed mindset, is believing that our qualities are set in stone. We think that we can only have a certain level of intelligence, a certain type of personality, or a certain moral character, which we need to prove over and over in everything that we do throughout our lives. 2. A growth mindset is believing that the hand we are dealt is just the starting point in our development. We think that our qualities are things we can cultivate through our efforts. In other words, we can change and grow through application and experience that we accumulate in our lives. When can I find the time? Most of us find it a challenge to find the time to nurture this aspect of our lives, given our incredibly busy schedules. Rather than feel victimized by an ever-increasing list of tasks related to school, work, and family life, it helps to get proactive about finding time for ourselves. For me, that means waking up earlier so I can write, not checking emails first thing in the morning, leaving phone calls for later in the day, and not watching TV. For you, this could mean carving more time out of your day with a morning routine. Working smarter instead of harder. Fighting the urge to procrastinate. Using the time on your commute to learn something new. Making the most of your weekends. What are some good ideas? For me, being and staying mentally active is essential to my daily life. I've noticed that over time I've become much more aware of how I want to spend my downtime, mostly because I'm so busy and there isn't much downtime to enjoy. Instead of watching TV, I watch documentaries. Instead of listening to the radio, I queue up podcasts to listen to during my commute or when I'm running errands. And instead of spending hours checking social media, I read books because I love the reading experience. Thank you so much for your watching, and to stay up to date with my latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video.